We're at 31 Upton Street in the South End, and we're going to see the top floor apartment. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit. So this is the front door. As you walk in, you walk into the living room. And on this floor you have one of the bedrooms, living room, dining area, kitchen, and the laundry room. This living room is facing Upton Street. So you can see it's a beautiful residential street. Fireplace is decorative. You have recessed lighting, some track lights. A lot of people set up this area as a dining area. It's perfect for a dining table. And here's the kitchen. Great kitchen with nice appliances. You have sub-zero fridge. Great cabinet space. Gas cooked up. A dishwasher. And off the kitchen, oh, and you have a breakfast bar, so you could potentially put some stools here. A nice hood right over the cooktop. And you have a deck right off the kitchen. Parking is behind the building. The staircase takes you upstairs, but here's the bedroom. It can also be set up as an office. It's a great layout because you can have the office on the first floor separate from the bedrooms. And then on this side you have half a bath, which again, it's perfect if you're entertaining because everything is on this floor. So there's half a bath here. And the laundry room is in here. It's a very good size. It's a separate room altogether. So as you walk in, you can see this is a little landing. The staircase takes you to the deck that we're going to see. Here's one of the bathrooms. You can see behind it too. It's good size. There's a linen closet right there. And this is the master bedroom. You have 2 closets, his and hers. They're very large walk-in closets. Plenty of room for shelves. It's not set up as a master right now, but here is the master bath also. You can see it in here. So again, linen closet right in the hallway. Here's the other bedroom. Very good size, easily fits a queen size bed. Or, I mean king. There is a closet. That's a ton of space here. Another decorative fireplace, really pretty. And here is another room. Again, it can be a guest bedroom, it can be an office. And this is how you get to the deck. So we just saw Penthouse 3-bedroom at 31 Upton, and I'm just going to show the common areas. So it's a walk up to the top floor. And this is the staircase that you would take to get to the apartment. Classic South End staircase. And here's the front door to the building. So it's 2 flights of stairs up. This one and this one. And here's the front door. Mailboxes. And here is the steps that lead you into the building. And here's 31 Upton. Very beautiful street and great location.